Hello students, we are doing chapter number 13 algebraic expressions exercise 8.3. This exercise is based on substitution. Substitution means finding value of an algebraic expression by replacing the variable value. For example, if you have a algebraic expression x square plus 2x plus 3 and we have to find out the value of this, and here if x value is 2. So in place of x we have to replace here 2. So 2 square plus 2 into 2 plus 3. 2 square is 4, then 2 into 2 is 4 and plus 3. 4 plus 4 8 plus 3 11. So the value of this expression is 11 here for x value is 2. Now we will start exercise 8.3 question number 1. If m is equal to 2, find the value of first part 3m minus 5. So 3m value is 2, we will keep in bracket minus 5. 3 bracket 2 means 3 multiplied by 2. So 3 into 2 is 6 and minus 5 as it is 6 minus 5 is 1. Second part 9 minus 5m. So 9 minus 5, in place of m we will replace 2. So 5 into 2 will become 10. 9 minus 10 is equal to minus 1. Third part 3m square minus 2m minus 7. So 3m means 2 whole square minus 2 into 2 minus 7. And 2 square, in rough column you can write 2 square means 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. So we can write it as 4 minus 2 into 2 will become 4 and minus 7. 3 into 4 12. 12 minus 4 and minus 7. 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. Then fourth part 5 by 2m minus 4. 5 by 2, in place of m we will keep 2 minus 4. So this 2 is in numerator, this is in denominator, it will cancel out. So 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Next question number 2. If p is equal to minus 2, find the value of 4p plus 7. So 4 into minus 2 plus 7. And 4 into minus 2 will become minus 8 plus 7, which is equal to minus 1. Second part minus 3 into minus 2 whole square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 7. So minus 3 minus 2 whole square means minus 2 into minus 2, which will become plus 4. And this 4 into minus 2 will become minus 8 plus 7. Now 3 into 4 will be 12, minus 12, minus 8 and plus 7. Minus 12 and minus 8 is minus 20, minus 20 plus 7 will be minus 13. Third part minus 2 p cube, p means minus 2 whole cube. Then minus 3 minus 2 whole square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 7. Now minus 2 whole cube means 3 times you have to multiply minus 2. Minus 2 whole cube means minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 2. Minus into minus plus and again plus into minus minus. 2 into 2 4 and 4 into 2 8. So we'll get minus 8. So minus 2 minus 8 we will get here, minus 3, and similarly minus 2 into minus 2 will become 4 plus 4, and this 4 into 2 minus 8 plus 7. Here again we have to multiply, minus and minus will become plus. 8 into 2 16. 3 into 4 12 minus 8 plus 7. Now 16 minus 12 4. 4 minus 8 is minus 4. Minus 4 and plus 7 3. Next the question number 3. If a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 2, find the value of a square plus b square. So in place of a we will write 2 and in place of b we will write minus 2. So 2 square means 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. And minus 2 square means minus 2 into minus 2, that is also equal to 4, because minus and minus will become plus. So we have here 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Second part, a square plus ab plus b square. A value is 2, then 2 into minus 2, and here minus 2 whole square. So 2 square just now we did is equal to 4. 2 into minus 2 will be minus 4, and minus 2 square also is 4. So 4 minus 4 will become 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. Next third part, a square minus b square. A value is 2 and b value is minus 2. So 2 square is 4 and minus 2 square is also 4. So 4 minus 4, we will get 0 as answer. Next question number 4. When a is 0 and b is minus 1, find the value of 2a square plus b square plus 1. So 2a is 0 and b is minus 1 whole square plus 1. So minus 1 whole square means minus 1 into minus 1. So minus into minus will become plus, and 1 into 1 will become 1. And 0 square always 0, and 2 into 0 it will become 0. Then this will become plus 1 and this plus 1 as it is. So 0 plus 1 will be 2. Second part, a square plus ab plus 2. A value is 0, 0 square, then 0 into minus 1 plus 2. 0 square is 0, and second also anything multiply with 0 it will become 0, and this plus 2 as it is. So 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Next third part, 2a square b plus 2ab square plus ab. So first we will substitute the value. 2 0 square into minus 1 plus 2 0 into minus 1 whole square and plus 0 into minus 1. So you can see here in first term also we are multiplying with 0, so it will become 0. Second term also 0 is there, so this second term also will become 0. Third term also 0 is there, so this will also become 0. And finally 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Next question number 5. If p is minus 10, find the value of p square minus 2p minus 10. So we will substitute here value. P square minus 2p minus 100. P is minus 10 whole square minus 2 into minus 10 and minus 100. So minus 10 whole square means minus 10 into minus 10. Minus and minus will become plus, and 10 into 10 will become 100. So this first we will get here 100. Minus and minus plus 2 into 10, 20. And at last minus 100. So plus 100 minus 100, this thing will cancel out, and only 20 is remaining. That is our answer. Next question number 6. If z is equal to 10, find the value of z cube minus 3z minus 10. So z cube minus 3z minus 10. We will substitute the values here. Z 10 cube minus 3, 10 minus 10. And 10 cube means 10, 3 times we have to multiply. And after multiplication 3 times 10, we will get the 1000. So 1000 minus 3 into 10 minus 10 will become 0, and 3 into 0 will be 0. So 1000 minus 0 is equal to 1000. Next question number 7. Simplify and find their values when x is 2. So first we have to simplify. It means we have to remove the bracket, and whatever we can add or subtract, after that we will substitute the values. So this will be x, this 7 will be as it is. This 4 we can multiply inside the bracket. So we will get 4x minus 4 into 5, 20. Now like terms we can add x plus 4x. It will become 5x, and 7 minus 20 will become minus 30. After this, now we can substitute the values. 5, x value is 2 minus 13, and 5 into 2 will become 10. 10 minus 13 is equal to minus 3. Seventh second part, 3x plus 2 plus 5x minus 7. So first we will multiply this 3 inside the bracket. We will get 3x plus 6. 3 into 2 will become 6, and this thing will be as it is, 5x minus 7. Now 3x and 5x we can simplify. 3 plus 5 will become 8x, and 6 minus 7 will become minus 1. After this we can substitute value. 8, x value is 2 minus 1. 8 into 2, 16 minus 1. 16 minus 1 is equal to 15. Next, third part, 6x plus 5x minus 2. So first we will remove this bracket. 6x plus 5x minus 10. 5 into 2, 10. Now 6 plus 5 will become 11. 11x minus 10. Substitute the value of x. X value is 2. 11 into 2 is 22 minus 10 is equal to 12. Fourth part, 4, 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 11. So 4 into 2 will become 8x, and 4 into 1 will become minus 4 plus 3x plus 11. Now 8 plus 3 will become 11x, minus 4 plus 11 will become plus 7. Now substitute value. 11 into 2 plus 7. 11 into 2 will become 22, and plus 7 is equal to 29. Next, question number 8. Simplify and find their values when a is minus 1 and b is minus 2. So simplification means we will add the like terms. 2a plus a will become 3a. Minus 2b is alone as it is. Minus 4 and minus 5 will become minus 9. After simplification, now we will substitute the values. 3 into minus 1 and 2 into minus 2, minus 9 as it is. So 3 into minus 1 will become minus 3. Minus 2 into minus 2 will become plus 4 and minus 9. Minus 3 plus 4, 1, and 1 minus 9 is equal to minus 8. Second part of question number 8. 2a square plus ab plus 3 minus ab. So first we will remove this bracket. It will become 2a square plus 2ab. This 2 we have to multiply with first term and then with second term. This last thing is as it is. Now simplify the like term. This ab and this ab. 2ab minus 1ab. And this 2a square is as it is. 2ab minus 1ab will become 1ab, which we can write as ab, and plus 3 as it is. Now substitute values. 2, a value is minus 1, then minus 1 into minus 2 plus 3. Minus 1 whole square means minus 1 into minus 1, which is equal to plus 1. So it will become 2 into 1, and minus 1 into minus 2 will become plus 2 and plus 3 as it is. So 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2 plus 3. 4 and 4 plus 3, 7. So this exercise has completed. Hope you understood these questions. Thank you for watching this.